Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting everything within reach. This saves time and keeps heat consistent. Start cooking the protein immediately so flavors build. Heat a skillet to medium-high and add oil. Once the oil shimmers, add seasoned meat or beans and spread evenly to brown. Don't crowd the pan. Stir occasionally to pick up fond and caramelization because flavor develops from browning. While it cooks, chop onions and cilantro, and have limes so you can finish hot tacos fresh. Once the protein has a good sear, make the flavor base by pushing it to the side and adding onions and garlic. Sweat them until translucent so sugars develop. Stir in tomato paste and toast briefly to deepen taste, then deglaze with stock or water to lift brown bits into the sauce. Make sure to simmer gently so liquids reduce and concentrate. This binds the filling. Finally, fold in herbs and a splash of vinegar to brighten the mix before tasting and adjusting salt. You assemble by warming tortillas, then layering hot filling with cheese so it melts slightly and fresh toppings for contrast. Make sure to add cold salsa and cilantro last. This keeps textures lively. Serve immediately so tortillas stay pliable without getting soggy. If a taco tastes dry, spoon on salsa or crema and a squeeze of lime. If it becomes soggy, crisp the tortilla for 30-60 seconds in a hot skillet to restore texture. Enjoy and taste adjust before serving the next batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.